In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I will show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So the easiest way to do it would be probably to find an empty space where you don't have any icons or widgets and just hold your finger on the screen. And momentarily you will get a little pop-up, and as you see set wallpaper, you can tap on it and then choose where you want to set that wallpaper to, either home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm just gonna choose the home screen, which is this one right here. And then you have an option to either go from the gallery or wallpapers. Wallpapers will have the preloaded ones that come with the device, and gallery would have everything that basically has your pictures and stuff that you might have downloaded from the internet, some kind of wallpapers. And because I have none, I'm just gonna choose the wallpapers right here. And then you get a little previews of them. You can scroll through them right here and basically select which one you like. And once you satisfy it, below you have set wallpaper. So once you tap on it, the wallpaper will be set, and as you can see, it's here. So that is basically how you change the wallpaper. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.